start with this ear.
Keira's getting her hearing test.
Just a second to get used to it. Okay, we got a pass on the first side.
Yay!
It's okay, baby. She doesn't like this one as well.
Yeah, I just don't want her to jam her head down into your,
Yeah,
with that in her ear.
I'm trying to go the other direction with her.
There, I think she's good now. It usually just takes them a second to get used to it.
So they moved that feeding tube line from, that's what used to be in her mouth. They moved it up to her nose.
I noticed that.
Okay, I don't think it's that. That's right. Can you like tip her just a little bit more up on her side, or flip sides with her?
Oh,
So that her ears
can
out.
I flip sides, Emily?
Yeah.
Here. Can you get her? You need help?
Just watch that cord.
I know, that's what I'm...
There we go.
Yeah.
Let's try that.
Sorry, Punky.
Just get your other ear, honey.
She's got jammies on, you said?
Well, it's a sleeper. It's the hospital's sleeper.
Oh.
It's not. They put it in on her when I was sleeping, so I just woke up and she had it on.
It's a better fit.
So how does this work? It just does tones and
Or something. Different decibels of sound. When the ear hears a sound, it produces a sound back.
Oh, okay.
And someone who can't hear, there's no sound produced.
Okay.
And we got a pass.
Woohoo!
I think that it just wasn't in properly
Yeah.
the way she was laying.
Yeah.
So,
Yay!
I don't know if you went. Sometimes people like to see the pass.
Oh. There's your score.
First test.
Yeah.
Pass.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Congratulations.
Thank
She's awful
you.
cute.
Thank you.
She looks so much like Mama. I can't get over it.
And I'm going to give you a card that says she passed.
Okay.
Has our phone number if you or Dad decide you have questions.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.